Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you guys the products that I will be using from here on out, or for a while, to kind of get me back into my, I guess we can call it my new natural hair journey, sorta, kinda. If you haven't checked out my second to the last video, I did a video on me cutting my hair, and that was just the start of it. I cut some on camera, and then I went off of camera, and then I cut some more, so I got scissor happy. So I will put that up here somewhere, and just telling you guys kind of what I'm going through with my hair at the moment. I decided what better way to kind of start fresh than to really just narrow down my products that I'll be using, and to just keep my regimen very simple. Another reason why I'm doing this is simply because I'm a product junkie. I have so many hair products that I don't even use, and I just don't know how I have accumulated all of these products, and I'm honestly just tired of buying products, buying the latest collection that came out, buying the latest type 4, buying the latest this and that, all this kind of stuff. And I think for me too, I'm just over spending the money on products that are not working for my hair. They're not keeping my hair moisturized. I'm not getting any like real results with them, and I'm just buying them straight out of hype, really, to be honest. And I'm tired. I'm just tired of spending so much money on natural hair products when I just don't think it's that serious. Enough of my rambling, let me get into the products. So first I'm gonna start off with shampoos. So this shampoo that I've been loving is from SheaMoisture. This is the Kukui nut, I think I'm saying that right, I'm not 100% sure, and Grapeseed oil damage rehab shampoo. I decided to try this off of a whim, and it is amazing. This shampoo for my type 4 hair is almost the best shampoo I've ever used, and I've used a ton of shampoos. I can pretty much like detangle with this shampoo if I wanted to. I don't, but I'm just saying just how moisturizing it is. It leaves my hair super soft, super moisturizing, and it's amazing. Here I am going back to co-washing my hair. I remembered when I was transitioning and when I first went natural, I co-washed all the time, and now it just kind of has this like, either you think it's nasty to co-wash or you like to co-wash. I don't really care. I'm gonna just do me, and do what I like to do, and I have a very hard time. It's just a struggle for me to keep moisture in my hair, and I found that with co-washing was the best way for me to do that. So yeah, so I will be co-washing, or cleansing my hair with a cleansing conditioner with this Uncle Funky's Daughter by Buildup. This is a really great co-wash. I've tried a couple of them, but this just really left my hair, I don't know, it just left it really soft and really cleansed. It has Russell Clay, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, in it, which is very cleansing as well. And the smell is, I don't know, the smell is very light to me. It doesn't bother me or nothing like that, but this is an amazing co-wash. If you guys have not checked out Uncle Funky's Daughter, then you definitely should. You should definitely pick up their cleansing conditioner, because I love it. So I'll be doing that once a week as well. Next, moving on to leave-in conditioners. I am sticking with my oldie but goodie. I have put this in a couple of my videos now. This is a SheaMoisture Strength and Restore Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I don't know how many tubs of this I have been through, but it has never failed me. It's never done me wrong. It keeps my hair very hydrated when I use it, and very moisturized. I just figured there's no point on me switching when this is doing me right. So I'm gonna stick with this one. So next, as far as like a deep conditioner I will be using once a week, it's either going to be the ORS Hair Mayonnaise, or it's going to be, this is not the actual packet, so I'm going to turn it around, but this is the SheaMoisture packet again, just like the shampoo. It's the Kukui nut and grapeseed oil SheaMoisture like deep conditioner. To start off with, both of these like are probably my favorite conditioners. They both leave my hair super soft. I can detangle with these in the shower. I don't have to leave these on forever. I probably leave this one on like an all-day thing because I'm just lazy. That's what I've done with this one. But recently, I've just been leaving the ORS on for an hour or two. I'll go do whatever I need to do, go eat, whatever, and then rinse it out. And my hair is so soft. And you know what, guys? The main reason why I'm switching back to probably this one, and I'll probably just stick with these two for a while as well, is also because of the price. I am just completely over spending so much money on half of the amount that I get from this. This is 16 ounces, and this cost me like $7 at Sally's. I am not paying any more, you know, $15, $20 for a deep conditioner that's half the price of this one. It just doesn't make any sense. And these natural hair companies, sometimes I just feel like they really trying to make their money. And I totally get it. It's a company. They got to make their sales and all that kind of stuff. But stop selling me something that's this big and calling it a deep conditioner for, you know, $20. This one, $7, Sally's. You can't go wrong with it. I promise you. This is amazing if you have not tried it. Next, as far as whenever I want to do any twist, so if you see my hair that's twisted and maybe mini twist, or I'm doing a twist out, braid out, anything like that, I will probably have used the Main Choice a 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. I really like this gel. It just makes my hair really soft, and if you can see it, and really shiny as well, and that's what I really like. Main Choice does make some really great products, and that is definitely one of them. So if you have not tried that one, I would definitely go by and pick it up. It's about $14, but this is gonna last me throughout the rest of the year, so I don't mind paying that amount of money for one product that I really love that's gonna last me. It's almost July, and so if it lasts me 6 months for $14, I'm cool with that. But as far as sealing my hair, I do not laugh at my container. It's all sticky and nasty, and I need to clean it off because it was an old container, but I just haven't. I actually just forgot. So anyways, it's an old container, but I made some, I know you guys can't see it, but I made some shea butter. This is shea butter, shea and mango butter, sorry, with a little bit of castor oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil, all mixed together. I whipped it up. It's just whipped shea butter and mango butter. And I used to make my own butters when I was transitioning and when I went natural 4 years ago. And then I stopped, and I probably stopped because all these companies came out with their own butters, paying, you know, $15, $20 for them and all that kind of stuff. But I went back to that. That was my main thing I wanted to go back to, because I was losing that moisture, so I was really focusing, and I'm really focusing on keeping moisture in and not losing it. And just shea and mango works perfectly for me. Speaking of oils, I do have my little oil bottle that I'll be using. This has nothing but 3/4 of castor oil in it, and then the rest is jojoba oil. So 3/4 castor oil and 1/4 of jojoba oil. Those are my two favorite oils, you guys, and I just didn't want to mix 50,000 oils together to come up with some miracle, you know, concoction, some hair growth concoction. I've tried it before. And it just didn't do it for me, and I didn't want to buy all this stuff either. I just didn't want to buy it all. Castor oil works for my hair amazing. It is amazingly, it's like the #1 oil with hair growth. You want your hair to grow, you need castor oil, and jojoba oil is very moisturizing, and I can use it on the rest of my body as well. And I personally just really love jojoba oil, so I just mix those two together, and that's it. Nothing else is in that bottle. I haven't used Gorilla Snot in like over a year now, I want to say, and I went back to it because I needed like a gel that would work for slick styles like this, or styles that I knew I was going to wear for a while. So like I'll probably rock this, you know, low ponytail for a few days, and I needed a really good gel, and I didn't want to like use all my edge control on my whole head. That's just a waste. You know, the edge control is $9. Gorilla Snot is like $3.50 at Target, you know. and you get a whole bunch of it. Yeah, so that is everything, you guys. I'm sorry if I'm like super mellow with this video. I recorded this video 3 times now, and I'm hoping that this is good. So I want you guys to just kind of know that I'm just really narrowing down my products, and maybe that's something else that you may want to do if you're a product junkie like me, or your hair is not growing, or something's not working, or your twist outs aren't coming out right. That is really it. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at JMarie. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.